Hello, welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee, and it is Saturday, and we're gonna do a little vloggy vlog today. We're out running some errands. They wanted to match me. I had on my outfit first, so yeah. But we're gotta go to a few stops. Then stop at the bank. We have to go to Target or Walmart and Ulta or Sephora. So yeah. And then we got baby Cam in the back. He's so restless and tired right now, so hopefully this ride puts him to sleep. But just coming in to check in, start the vlog, and say what's up to y'all. Just got to Ulta. My husband is lame. He told me to go in by myself so that way I don't take too long, because I got my baby in the car. But that means I gotta use my car instead of his. But that's okay. I'm actually getting a gift from my friend, so it's fine. Ouch, I just stepped in like a rock or something. Oh, I'm so mad I forgot to put air control on, and it's just making these braids not look as good as they are. But yeah, let's go into this Ulta. Testing these skin tints Michelle asked for, so let's see. This is in the shade warm. I think I'm gonna get warm. It looks like it blends in pretty good. Me and her are like about the same color, so it looks pretty and glowy. I think we're gonna try. The Fenty I got Netta is this Riri Gloss Bomb, and then this pencil, and I wouldn't, so we'll see. These makeup stores, Ulta and Sephora is a scam. 3 things, $100, craziness, but they're gifts. So I got the skin tint for Michelle, and then the Fenty stuff for Netta. So yeah, I'm proud of myself. I didn't get nothing for me. That's good. That's really. Oh, my baby crying in the car. Off to Target now. But what I was saying, that's really disciplined because I didn't get myself nothing. So, yep. But let me go so you're not gonna hear my baby crying. Target. I got a card for Netta. Little gift bag. Now I got like a little list of stuff. So, kind of like house stuff. Like we need some more ketchup. Hot sauce, stuff like that. So yeah, Faye likes this no sugar added, which honestly is not bad, but some of the no sugar stuff, hot sauce, we're gonna do Louisiana. Sometimes I get Louisiana, sometimes I do red hot, but we're doing Louisiana this time because a whole $1 cheaper. We on a budget, okay? Oh, I did want to get some Chick-fil-A sauce. Is that right here? Chick-fil-A sauce.
You can get mustard.
Get mustard. A big one or a small one? Mustard. My goddaughter wanted this dress, so I got her this dress. She's coming in on Friday, so I'm gonna give it to her. And then Destiny, I got her this one. So cute. I was looking for the Hello Kitty one for Destiny too, but they didn't have her size, so we just got that one. And then this all the other stuff we need. And y'all, these some lactate cookies I got. These is $20 for 10 bags. That's ridiculous, but I gotta get the milk together for my baby. So yeah, at Target spending $118. Y'all know it's very difficult to get out of Target under $100, but $118 not too bad considering I got my goddaughter some cute little dresses. And kids clothes is not cheap, y'all. It's not. So yeah, now we're on our way back home. I think I have decided I will not be doing a full house clean today, but we will do it tomorrow because it's only about 12:30. But me and Babe really just want to chill, and I'm hungry on top of that, so I'm gonna go home, fix me a quick little meal, and then relax. And then my son might be waking up anyways, so I don't feel like trying to clean in between his crying today, so we go chill out and we'll clean up tomorrow. So real quick, before baby starts to get a little fussy, I showed y'all most of the stuff I got, but I got the lactation cookies. I got the oatmeal chocolate chip ones. I got some classic chai tea latte. I got some ketchup, Chick-fil-A sauce, yellow mustard, Louisiana hot sauce, syrup, coffee creamer, French vanilla, and also French vanilla cold foam because Zero is about to be tired. Well, I'm already be tired because my baby. And I also got those 2 dresses that I had showed y'all right there. But babe's about to go back to work next week, so I'm be all by myself all day. So yeah, I'm be tired, but I'll be okay. Baby is fussy. He thinks I left him. Mommy's right here, honey bunny. Mommy right here. Yeah, see, you don't have to cry, honey. You don't have to cry. But yeah, I got some quick little freezer food in the air fryer. So some chicken breasts, the crispy ones, and then some French fries. Oh, and I got these past fries. These are the only ones that he seems to be liking right now. So yeah, I'm about to sterilize these for him so he can put one in his mouth. So yeah, I'll holla at y'all. So I started cooking dinner. It's about 5 o'clock. So I already got the rice going. It's already actually done. So now I'm about to make this beef bulgogi. I had it defrosting because it was in the freezer from Trader Joe's. It is Korean inspired sesame marinated boneless beef ribs. So yeah, that sounds real good. I like the beef bulgogi. I like Korean barbecue spots and stuff. So hopefully it's good. I might actually, I know I said I'll probably clean up tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna start today. I don't know. Just so I don't have so much to do tomorrow. But we're gonna see what we do. So let's get this beef bulgogi going. I'm really trying to get into clean as you cook, so I'm about to wash these dishes as that food is cooking. So yeah. the beef bulgogi off the heat. I think I'm gonna cut it up like really small, like at Korean barbecue, and then put it back on the heat for a little bit, because I feel like it's still really chewy. So yeah, let me do that. Okay, actually, I lied. Not gonna put it back on the heat. I just cut it up. Take another piece. Cooked perfectly. I think the piece that I had first was just really fatty, but the flavor is good. I'm about to just make some green beans now, and then I'll be ready. I got the living room straightened up. The kitchen's pretty much straightened up. That's just some fruit based on juice. Tomorrow I'll do the mopping and vacuuming. And then I'll clean our bedroom. I'll probably straighten up our bedroom tonight as well, but then do the vacuuming tomorrow, and then just have to clean the bathrooms and then my room tomorrow. So yeah, and then probably do laundry on Monday. Yeah, we doing good. We doing good. Served. Hello y'all, happy Sunday. So I'm not sure if this is a new vlog or it's a continuation on yesterday, but it is Sunday. I am at this Black Arizona Run Color Bay. I got the baby. I haven't been in a while, obviously, because I had got very much too pregnant, and also I had the baby and I was down for almost 2 months. So this is my first time back in about a little over 2 months, probably 3 months. So yeah, about to do this little walk. Baby is awake and it's hot. All right, y'all, so I got this bonnet on because I'm about to take a shower and stuff. We've been home for like an hour and a half, chill for a little bit, fed my baby. Now he went to sleep. I went ahead and put our comforter in the wash base, cleaning up the rest of his stuff right now. And then I'll come in here and vacuum later and put our sheets and stuff in the wash. But I'm gonna take a shower and then chill out probably for a little bit more. And then I'll go ahead and get back to cleaning up and probably clean the bathrooms today too. So I'll probably go ahead and do laundry tomorrow because I ain't gonna feel like it today. So it is a few days later, and I have not been vlogging because I've just been tired, resting / cleaning when I can. And the house is successfully cleaned. I just need to clean our guest bathroom because we do have people coming in tomorrow. But other than that, laundry's done, baby room clean, our bedroom's clean, living room clean. I just feel so accomplished yesterday because yeah, but baby did really good yesterday, so I was trying to take advantage of all that time that he was sleeping and just chilling out. Right now we're just walking to Walmart, taking a little walk. It is hot, okay? It's hot. I got this flowy dress on, but I feel okay, but it's hot. But yeah, I just was checking in with y'all. I'm probably gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna start a new vlog tomorrow / Friday when my friends get here. I'm gonna do like a little cute little weekend vlog. We're gonna have like a little cookout or whatever, so we're gonna have a good time. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks so much for watching. I hope y'all have been enjoying. Your girl look chocolate from this angle. I mean, I am chocolate, but I look extra chocolate. So anyways, I hope y'all have been enjoying the vlogs, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.